squared plus 3. If you look at this question very well, the question asks us to look for the first term, the third term, and the 12th term. The question asks us to look for the first term, the third term, and the 12th term. In the first term, with respect to the A, which is 4n plus 3, for the first term, where your n is 1, automatically this will be 4 into 1 plus 3, and that is 4 plus 3 as 7. So it is 7. Then when, for the third term, where your n is equal to 3, automatically it will be 4 into 3 plus 3, and that gives us 12 plus 3, and that is 15. Then for the 12th term, where your n is equal to 12, automatically that will be 4 into 12 plus 3. 4 times 12, that is 48 plus 3, and that gives 51. So that means for this particular nth term, the first term is 7. The third term is 15, while the 12th term is 51. For the B part, which is n squared plus 3, first, third, and 12th term. For the first term, where your n is 1, then it will be 1 squared plus 3, and that is 1 squared is 1 plus 3, that gives us 4. So the first term is 4. Where you have the third term, when your n is 3, automatically we are going to have 3 squared plus 3. 3 squared is 9 plus 3, that gives 12. So that is the third term for this nth term. Then for the 12th term, where our n is equal to 12, then we have 12 squared plus 3, and our 12 squared is 144 plus 3, and that gives 147. So that means for the B part and A part, for the A part, 4n plus 3, the first term is 7, the third term is 15, while the 12th term is 51. For the B part, which is n squared plus 3, the first term is 4, while the third term is 12, and the 12th term is 147. Arithmetic progression. The sequence 9, 12, 15 is said to be in AP since the first term is 9 and the common difference is 3. You have 12 and 15. This sequence is said to be in AP simply because the first term is 9 and the common difference is 3. So that is why it is said to be in AP. But because of the fact that the common difference is calculated, common difference, which is D, can be calculated by subtracting the second term from the first term. Also, the third term from the second term. That is how to determine the common difference of an AP. The terms in AP are: the first term is A, the second term is A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D. That is the way the trend goes. This is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. That is for AP. The nth term has been, the formula for the nth term has been given earlier. Example 1. Given the AP 9, 12, 15, 18, dash dash dash. Find its 8th 99th and nth term. You are given an AP 9, 12, 15, 18, dash, dash, dash. You are now asked to determine the 8th term. 8th term, then the 99th term and the nth term. 99th term and nth term. This can be determined by simply using the formula, which is UN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. In doing so, if you are to calculate the 8th term, which is N equal to 8, using that formula, you have U8 equals to A. What is A from the trend? The A from the trend is 9. So mathematically, you have 9 plus N. N is 8, which is the 8th term, minus 1. Common difference. The common difference here is 3. Automatically, you have A 9 plus, this is 7 times 3. And that gives 9 plus 21, and that is 30. So for the 8th term, the result is 30. For the 99th term, U99, then you have A, which is your first term, and this is common, 9, plus 99 minus 1, then D, which is 3. So this gives 9 plus 98 times 3. And when this is evaluated, we have 4, 2, 27, 29. So this plus this, we have 303. So 303. That is the value or the answer for the 99th term of this sequence, which is AP. That is the 303 is for 99th term. Then for the nth term, using this same formula, since the sequence are in AP, so automatically for the nth term, A is 99, A is 9, I or D is 3. So you have for the nth term, you have 9 plus N, which is not known. Then you have 3. So that becomes 9 plus 3N minus 3. And that will give us 3N plus 6. And that is 3 into N plus 2 as the nth term. Example 2. The 43rd term of an AP is 26. 43rd term is equal to 26. It is very advisable that once you have a question, the first thing you have to do is to write the information that is given to you down first. Then you will now know how to go about the solution. So the 43rd term of an AP is 26. And that is what you have. Find the first term of the progression. You are asked to look for the first term, which is unknown, of the progression, given that its common difference is 1 over 2. Common difference is 1 over 2. Here, we are looking for the, we are given the 43rd term, and A is unknown. D is 1 over 2. So automatically from the formula, which is UN equals to A plus N minus 1D, we know that our N here will be 43, since that is what is given. And in that situation, U43 will be equals to A plus 43 minus 1 D. So here you have U43, which is now equals to A plus 42D. And remember that U43 has been given in the question to be 26. So we can now write, which implies that A plus 42D is now equals to 26. The first term is what the question asks us to look for, and we know D. So automatically, when we substitute those two parameters into this equation, we should be able to calculate our A, given that D is known. Our D is half. So we substitute that into this. We have A plus 42 into 1 over 2 equals to 26. These two can cancel these two, can cancel 42, then you have 21. So A plus 21 equals to 26. So A will be 26 minus 21 when we collect like terms. So in that situation, we have our A to be 5. So that means the first term, therefore, the first term is 5. And that is what the question asks us to look for. Exercise. In each of the following APs, the first, second, and last term are given. Find the common difference and the number of terms in each sequence. A sequence is given to us. A sequence is given to us. So, and it should be noted that we have to write our parameters down first so that we can know where to take it from. So let's see what we're given. So in this situation, we have